In some ways, the terminology in probability seems silly. We'll be talking about an experiment, when all we're really doing is throwing dice, flipping coins, or drawing a card. I guess I always thought of experiments as needing Bunsen burners and test tubes, but not so in probability. Now, probability is just counting, seriously. Here's the simplest case. The experiment is to flip a fair coin. The outcome of the experiment we are interested in is the number of heads we observe. This is called the random variable. Number of heads. And we will give this random variable the name x. We can count the number of heads on the coin before we toss it, and we can count the number of other possibilities. In this case, tails, the only other possible outcome. If we wish to know the probability of a random variable taking on the value 1, that is, one flip in the coin, we will divide the number of possible outcomes, 2, a head and a tail, into the number of ways we can get the outcome we're interested in, 1, the head. So we see the probability of getting a head in one flip is 1 divided by 2, or 1/2. All probability is really that simple. Now, let's make it more interesting. We will flip 3 coins, or one coin 3 times. The result is the same. Let's say the random variable is still number of heads. What values can this random variable take on? Well, we could get no heads in 3 flips, or 1, or 2, or 3. That's it. So we can write x equals 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we need to count. But to do so, we need to know all of the possible outcomes of this experiment. We can write them down, because this is a simple case with only 3 coins. The rule for finding the total number of possible outcomes from flipping coins, or any other binary event, meaning it has only 2 possible outcomes in one trial, is 2 raised to the power equal to the number of coins. Here, that is 2 raised to the 3rd power. So the total number of unique outcomes is 8. If it were 4 coins, it would be 16. Then 32, and so on. If this sequence seems familiar to you, it's the sequence of the gig storage space on a thumb drive, because this is a binary measure just like flipping coins. So let's look at the sample space for flipping 3 coins. Here are the results. This lists every possible result of flipping 3 coins, the sample space. Sometimes this is called the universe.